Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Venmo debit card step by step clearly. First, make sure your Venmo debit card has arrived and that the envelope is sealed and not damaged. Take the card out and check that your name is correct and the card is in good condition. Flip the card over and locate the CVV and the signature panel to confirm it is the correct card. Keep your phone nearby because you will need it for the Venmo app or a verification step. Connect your phone to a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Venmo app on your phone and log in to your Venmo account. If you do not have the Venmo app, install it from the App Store or Google Play and then log in. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version so the card options display correctly. On the home screen, tap your profile icon or the Me tab to open your account area. Find and tap the card or Venmo debit card section in the menu. If you do not see it, tap Settings and look for Payment Methods or Venmo card options. Select Venmo debit card and then choose the option that says Activate Card. When the app asks, allow camera access so you can scan the card if needed. If scanning is available, point the camera at the card and align it with the on-screen frame. If scanning does not work, choose Manual Entry and type the requested card details carefully. Double-check every digit you entered to avoid activation errors. Confirm your billing zip code if the app asks for it. If prompted, verify your identity by confirming your phone number or email. Enter the verification code that Venmo sends you and submit it in the app. Create or confirm your Venmo card PIN if the app requests it. Choose a PIN that you can remember but others cannot easily guess. Tap Confirm or Submit to send the activation request. Wait a few seconds and look for a message that says your card is activated. If you see an error, close the app completely, reopen it, and try the activation again. If activation still fails, check that your Venmo account is in good standing and not restricted. Make sure you are using the correct account that the card was issued for. If needed, contact Venmo support through the app help section for activation assistance. Once activated, make a small purchase or check the card status in the app to confirm it works. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.